Happy Valentine's Day! And welcome to another time lapse. How to Train Your Dragon was a titular part of my childhood. I was obsessed. And recently I watched a video on how Hiccup and Astrid are a great example of a healthy relationship. It's by Cinema Therapy. You should go check it out. I love their channel. And since it's Valentine's Day, or it will be once this posts, I was like, to heck with it! Let's draw some Hiccup and Astrid fan art! I've always enjoyed the dynamic between Astrid and Hiccup. I almost said Astrid. Okay, between Astrid and Hiccup, they complement each other so well. The little romantic moments they have, especially in the second and third movies, are so cute. I also like how Astrid genuinely sees and understands Hiccup's struggles with his self-worth, and knows what to say in order to help him see things from the perspective of those who love and admire him. There's a lot of that in like the third movie. Hiccup is a bit of an idealist and a dreamer, while Astrid is a little bit more grounded. She's also more flexible, whereas Hiccup is really stubborn. I mean, Astrid does have her stubborn streak, right? But she seems far more flexible in her thinking and in her ability to see things from others' perspectives, that it's not really as strong in her as it is in Hiccup. These seem like opposite traits, but they work well with one another, and there is this one scene in the beginning of the second movie where Hiccup is drawing the island he found and venting to Astrid about a talk he had with his father earlier that morning. When Astrid first sits with him during that scene, as he's sketching out on his map, she takes a piece of the charcoal and she helps him. I thought that was just so cute. Like, I think Hiccup and Astrid's most prominent love language as a couple is either acts of service or physical affection. Like, they dabble in both from what I remember, and some of the other love languages too, but those are two that stand out the most to me. And it's hard to pin down, which gives me a segue into the issues I had drawing these two. I will admit transferring the DreamWorks animation style for this franchise into my own style was a challenge. I did my best to stay as accurate to their face shapes in the movies as possible, and I think I did the best I could. They don't look exactly like they do in the movies, but they're recognizable, and that's all I could really hope for. I could chatter more about this piece, but as per usual, I'm going to disappear for now and let you enjoy the time lapse, and I'll see you again once it's done. lot harder than it looks. But I enjoyed the challenge, and if you enjoyed the video, give the like button a boop. And while you're in the area, if you'd want to see more, feel free to subscribe. I would love to see you again. And if you'd like to help me decide on video concepts and such, feel free to join the Discord. The link is in the description below. The links to my social as well as my Ko-fi page are down there too. And Ko-fi is where you'll find my commissions, which are open, as well as other options if you'd like to support me further. There's a lot of ways. And anyway, thank you for watching. And if you got this far, leave a black heart in your comment. Bye-bye!